Good morning, YouTube. It is Wednesday. I don't know the date, but it's Wednesday. I did want to start my vlog on Monday, but I had some things going on. I had some, I don't think I want to get too deep into it yet, but I did get some doctor results that I didn't like, so it kind of took a toll on me for the last 2 days. But anywho, I just got back from the gym. I am drinking some coffee. I'm about to have some breakfast. I got like a lox cream cheese bagel, something like that. So I'm about to do that. We do have an event today later on. It is only about to be 8 a.m. so I have time. The event isn't until like 6 p.m. I think I know what I'm wearing. I have an idea. I know what top I want to wear because it's a rooftop event, although it's cloudy outside. I don't know how that's gonna work. We'll see. Just wanted to get the vlog started. I hope you guys are enjoying these weekly vlogs. See y'all in a little bit. What's up, y'all? I know my camera's a little slanted, but I figured y'all wouldn't mind, right? I honestly fell asleep on the couch for like a good 20-30 minutes, but it's okay. It's okay. I want to clean up a little bit because I didn't get to do, I didn't get to tidy up yesterday, and I really want to mop because I like that feeling when you like mop and like the whole house, the whole space just smells so good, feels so fresh, so clean. So I really want to mop. Dash has been pissing me off. I think I'm PMSing though, so I'm trying not to get angry at him because he, even during my nap, he's trying to sniff my face. I don't know what he's trying to do. He just like comes and tries to lay right in my neck. Like when he was little though, it's my fault because I used to like do that, and like I used to cuddle him and he used to just sleep right here. But somehow I became allergic to him, and now I break out in hives whenever he's like on my bare skin. So, and then he also likes to lick me a lot, and that's another thing. So, again, I think I know what I'm wearing for tonight. I want to wear this top. I bought this top months ago. And I think it's so cute. I actually bought it when I bought some cargos that I got. They're like some light gray cargos. But I just wore those to the Janae Aiko concert with another top because it looked good. I was gonna wear this with those cargos because I think this looks good too. But now I'm thinking about wearing these with wearing this with like some denim shorts that I have. I just have to try it on and see if it even looks good with that. But that's what I'm thinking about wearing. I feel like this gives like summer rooftop vibes, if not like a concert top. One or the other, but I feel like now is a perfect opportunity because the event that I'm going to, Dash is looking at this to jump on it. The event that I'm going to is a rooftop. Anyway, let me go tidy up this studio before I keep rambling because I'm feeling really tired and lazy. And if I just don't get to it, I'm just not going to get to it, you know? So when I tidy up my studio, I like to get rid of the PR boxes and stuff, and that's when I do my PR openings. So before I show my Instagram, which is what I usually do, is I go on Instagram stories, I'm going to show you guys. There's not much because I think I have packages that I have to pick up. Got another package from Frenchie. I love their PR boxes. First of all, I love being Frenchie. Ever since I went to the event, I think it was in February, I don't know, but ever since I went to the event and I was introduced to this brand, I use their products like religiously. Like that magnesium stick, especially the Present and Grounded one, I use that one right around my uterus and all of that stuff because it's like very woman, you know, magnesium is very good for women, especially when it's that time of the month. That actually helps me. Okay, so I got some inserts in here. In here we got the Citrus Amber line. This one is my favorite right now for the summertime because it is so refreshing. It smells like just like a very citrusy, refreshing, like wake you up kind of scent. It's also very like summery. I don't even know how to describe it. And this oil, I used it in my shower routine. This oil, it just seeps right into your skin and it lasts. The scent lasts on your skin. And then, so the lotion and the body wash, the oil, of course, the hair, body, and linen mist, and blow on perfume oil. This next package is from Huda Beauty. So the insert says, "Hi, beautiful. Thank you so much." There's a fly. Anywho, it says, "Hi, beautiful. Thank you so much for your love and support of the brand. We hope you love these products and feel absolutely beautiful inside and out every time you wear them. Love, Huda and Team HB." So let's see everything that we got from them. We got the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. And this is, oh yeah, Easy Bake. I think that is the, oh no. The shade is Cupcake. I hear a lot of great things about their setting powder. I'm excited about that. This is the Faux Filter Color Corrector, and this is the liquid base. So this is a color corrector, and this is in the shade Pink Pomelo. Dash is gonna go crazy about this fly, okay? If there's one thing he's gonna do is go crazy about this fly. Then we have the liquid blush, and this is in the shade Watermelon Pop. Hold on, I'm getting FaceTime. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, y'all. I don't know what's happening here. Where did we leave off? Okay, Huda Beauty. So also got the Extra Shine Lip Gloss Faux Filler in Sugar Baby. This color is interesting. I might want to use that today. And then we got the Luminous Matte Liquid Concealer in Vanilla Swirl. The Easy Bake and Snatch Press Brightening and Setting Powder in Pound Cake. But the next PR package that I'm going to show you guys is the one that I received from Velvet Caviar. I can't show you everything because I actually already put a phone case on my phone. I love their phone cases. They're really durable and they're cute. So you can't beat that. I got this neon green, which I think I'm gonna switch to for today. And then I got this one. It's like a bunch of berries. And then the one that I have is like a denim. Okay, this is the pattern for the phone case that I have on my phone. And they also sent me the battery pack. I think this comes in handy. It's not like a crazy charger. Like, it's not gonna just like, I mean, maybe if you stay off your phone and you have good service where your phone is not being drained, it'll be a good charger. But I remember I took one of these with me to the Bad Bunny concert and my phone was like on 40 and it just, or 60, something like that. And it just maintained my battery because obviously I kept using it. I was filming a lot and all kinds of things, but these come in handy, these battery, and it's magnetic. So it just goes right on the back of your phone. Magnetic grip ring. So they sent me in this same print. So I have that on my phone right now as well. And they sent it to me in the berry kind of thing, and I love those because I fall asleep watching like YouTube or something. I have a hard time getting to sleep, guys. This is nothing new. I've been like this since the womb, like literally. Ask my mom. Anyway, thank you Velvet Caviar, thank you Huda Beauty, by the way, and thank you Being Frenchie. I always appreciate these PR packages because we got the oil sucker from One Size. Okay, this is their new product. I am excited about this. I only get oily, like really oily in the summertime, and obviously we're in the summertime, so I'm excited about this. I just love that I'm on the One Size PR list now because I love Patrick Star. I remember when I was getting his collections from MAC Cosmetics too. It was so dope. You guys see my last video, I said that I was obsessed with BP jewelry, so I ordered this from my cousin Anna Sizzle's BP. And I ordered some August birthday earrings, and I just had to get at least one thing from the August collection because it is my birth month. Hello. And I got earrings and they are so good. Like, I got these hoops and it has the peridot right there. I think they're so freaking cute, and they're called Expand Your Horizons. Main stone is lab created peridot and materials are rose gold plating, and the MSRP is $118. But I wanted to get something for August. Plus it also reminds me of my late friend because her birthday is in August also. She gives desk pets with her orders, and I love desk pets. I don't know if you guys can see, like right there, I have them all just chilling there. Desk pets are these little animals that you kind of just like set them wherever you want. I saw this girl once set them in her plant. Some people put it on the windowsill to just like add a little character or whatever. But this time I got a little yellow duck and I got a little white bunny. My fiance gets so annoyed when I'm like showing him these. Like, they're so cute. What's wrong with you? How do you look at this and be like, that's not cute? Anywho, I think this is my last package. All right, this is my last package. Dropped it. This is my last package. But Milani, hey, this little suitcase, open it up and it has such cool things. So this is it. The new Fetish lip oil in Luminoso, the new Cheek Kiss blush stick also in Luminoso, and then of course the famous Luminoso baked blush. And then we have the Conceal and Perfect Sun-Kissed Liquid Bronzing Drops. This looks incredible. We have some SPF 30 primer, which is this thing. This is the Black Waterproof Mascara, I believe. And then this is the Make It Last Sunscreen Setting Spray. Wanting a setting spray that has SPF. And then here you just have, it says your ticket to glow, and you have a postcard and a passport. Cute. Thank you so much, Milani. I love this packaging. It's just adorable. I feel like I'm gonna save this. And then that's it for PR packages, guys. It is now about to be 12:30, and I have to start picking it up soon because I still have to wash my hair, figure out my outfit for real, and then I have to go. So I'll catch y'all later. Okay, y'all, I am exhausted, as you guys can probably visibly see. It is about 4:30 now, and I just made myself some milk tea because I'm tired. I was cleaning, I'm running a little late. When am I not running on crunch time though? I wanted to straighten my hair, but I don't think I'm going to because it's cloudy and muggy, and then my hair is just gonna go crazy. Like, I don't want to do all of that. So I'm just gonna figure out some curly hairstyle to do. I'm probably just gonna leave it out, thinking that's the vibe right now. But I'm about to get my makeup done. Hey y'all. So I'm completely dressed now. I am wearing the top with these jeans that I got from Silver. It is the Suki wide leg. It's perfect. I feel like I look a little too dewy right now. I did just spray my face with the watermelon Urban Decay all-nighter, but you know, the shine gotta tone it down a little bit. But I kind of like it too at the same time. I don't know. About to take the cab there. The event started like 20-30 minutes ago, but it's okay. Fashionably late. See y'all when we get there. Hey YouTube, I feel like I don't know, like my dark circles are tense today. I don't know, but I just got my yogurt. The event was okay. It was nothing crazy. I feel like it could have been a lot better. It was just kind of like, it's a rooftop and it had some cocktails and stuff, but I'm currently on a hiatus from alcohol, so I had a mocktail that they didn't even prepare for. He just kind of made it on the spot, so it was just lemonade and club soda. It was not good. After going to like all of these events for so many years, I truly feel like the event and the effort that you put into these events matter. And if you're not gonna do it well, don't do it at all. That's my advice and my opinion on when it comes to like brands and businesses doing these influencer events. Because if the event is like really fun, it has activations and there's things to do, and you know, like it's just fun, it's a fun environment, and then also the staff of the company, of the brand, is engaging with the influencers, it makes the influencers, all of the creators, like want to create content for your brand. And that is the goal of even having an event, in my opinion. Unless, you know, some brands want to just have an event just to have an event, but you want influencers to create organic content that you don't have to necessarily pay for with your products, because you have this fun event, this fun, like it makes them, it's just like a push, like you want to do it, it's an incentive. And like if your event is just boring, you're not interacting with your creators, you're not walking around trying to meet everybody, you don't have any activations, there's nothing really going on, it really doesn't make anybody want to create anything. And also, I also speak for myself, it doesn't make me want to create anything. It doesn't make me care for your brand. Like, I feel like I learned absolutely nothing about this brand. I love the name of it, which that's why it sucks. I don't even want to mention it right now because it was just such a like nothing event to me. Yeah, I just think that you have to have a fun event. Like if you're going to have an event, an influencer event, make it good, make it worth your while. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope it's not too boring. I don't know, I look a hot mess. I don't know why I woke up with my dark circles just like, oh wait, when I get closer, maybe it's just lighting. Maybe it's just lighting because it's very gloomy today. This kind of happens also when I'm PMSing, so I don't know. I actually look sick right before it. Yeah, never mind. Anyway, bye, love y'all.